Gigo.
Disassembly and maintenance of the blades. Here we will show you how to take apart the blades and put them back together. There are two components, a 3-hole rod and a 5-hole rod. The 3-hole rod has 3 holes, 1, 2, 3. The 5-hole rod has 5 holes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is how it should be done. The holes on the blade should be aligned with center hole on the 5-hole rod. When it is in place, secure it with the white piece as shown. If something goes wrong and something gets stuck like this 3-hole rod, what can you do? Apply a slight pressure, just enough to bend the blade and create an opening. Insert the fingernail into the opening and twist. Now, you can easily use a 5-hole rod to push out the 3-hole rod like this. This is the easy way. Just remember to close it up properly after.